If you are trying to sell on TikTok Shop or do affiliate marketing, you have probably heard of Kalodata. People call it a spying tool, but what does that actually mean? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it to find winning products and creators. I'm not going to sell you a dream here. I'm just going to show you the data. We're going to look at revenue estimates, how to spot a trend before it dies, and most importantly, the limitations of this tool. So let's get into the dashboard. So first, of course, create your account. So we have a 7-day free trial right here. So let's click on that. So no credit card needed. So let's sign up with our Google account. So once you've logged in, it will show you these walkthrough right here. So just simply click on next. And of course, choose your region. So you can set country, currency, and language here. So if you select a region right here, it shows which region's TikTok data would you like to view. And for the language, of course, the commonly used language. And for the currency, the commonly used currency. So let's just click on next right here. And click on next again. Click on next. And here you have your filter that you could choose from, but let's walk through that later. So here currently we are on the dashboard. And first, let's look at the product tab, which is right here at the top. This is where 90% of you will spend your time. So as you can see, when you land here, ignore the default list, since it's usually big brands or basically generic stuff. So you need filters right here. That's when we go to the left side right here. So click on category here on the left sidebar. Then choose something specific like electronics or something, or home and living. So home supplies and stuff. So don't leave it on all. So let's try to click on home supplies and click on apply. And for the revenue, you can set a minimum. So I like to put at least $5,000 in the last 7 days. You can also set the item sold, revenue source. So you can set it's live video or product card. And for the revenue source, which is on the channel. So you can set it to self-operated, affiliate, shopping mall, or all. And also the revenue growth rate. And for the price, set this to your comfort zone. If you're dropshipping, maybe $10 to $30. So you have to upgrade your plan first before you could use this feature where you could manually input the price that you want. So let's just try the less than 500 right here. Then click on submit once you're done with all the filters. So you could add this filter also if you want. There's affiliate product, creator number, creator conversion ratio, shipping option, launch date, and also the commission rate. But let's click on submit to basically add the filters that we have set right here. And as you can see, it has reloaded just like that. Now look at the results. So don't just look at the total revenue, look at the graph right here. So if you see like a sharp vertical spike like this, be careful. That usually means one big influencer went viral and the trend might already be over. So you want a graph that looks like a staircase, steady, consistent growth, which means that it is a sustainable product. So you could also check out the other tabs right here, top new products, high potential affiliate, sales grow rapidly, and the top video products right here. Now next, let's talk about finding people to sell your stuff. So go to the creators tab right here or the creator tab. So if you're a seller, you don't want the biggest celebrities. They are expensive and hard to reach. You want middle class creators. So here's a filter that you can try to use. So for the followers, you can set it to maybe less than 50K. These people are hungry for deals, but still have an audience. So maybe 10K to 100K would be good. But since we can't use this, let's try to go for the less than 50K. So if you want to use these features, make sure to upgrade your plan. So I have a code where you can get a discount at the end of the video. So stay tuned for it. But going on, as you can see, let's set it to 50K. You can also set the account type if you want. So you can set it to seller operated or independent. Engagement rate, creator contact, MCN status, creator debut time, and the average unit price. You can also set the age, gender, and languages for the followers. So let's try to set the account type to independent. Then click on submit to apply the filters, just like that. So let's try to click on this profile. So once you click a profile, just basically scroll down and you will see all of the core metrics right here, like the revenue, live revenue, video revenue, showcase and other revenues, average unit price, live views, video views, and new followers right here. And if you scroll down more right here, Kalodata shows you exactly which video made the money. So you can watch these videos if you want, or are they showing their face on these videos? Are they doing a voiceover? So this is your cheat sheet. So you don't have to reinvent the wheel, just see what format is working for them and adapt it. So there are a ton of videos right here that you check out for every creator. And you'd also see their products right here, their lives, and their followers right there. Now let's spy on specific shops. So if you have a competitor, type their name in the shop tab right here at the top. So let's click on it. And here you will see a list of the shops. So pay attention to this breakdown. If a shop is making 90% of their money from live streams and you aren't ready to go live on camera for 4 hours a day, don't try to copy them, since you will probably fail. And if they are making money from videos, that is scalable. So you can record videos in advance. Also, look at their top products. Sometimes a shop looks successful, but it's actually just one product carrying the whole business. If you can source that one item better or cheaper, you can take a slice of their market. So, okay, I showed you a lot of numbers, but you need to understand one thing. These are estimates. Kalodata does not have the login password to these people's bank accounts. They are scraping public data, likes, views, talk counts, and using an algorithm to guess the sales. Sometimes they are spot on, sometimes, especially with cancellations and returns, the numbers are inflated. Also, this tool is not a magic button. Seeing a product making 100K doesn't mean you will make 100K. That seller might have an exclusive supply chain, or they might be spending 50K on ads to get that 100K revenue. So the tool doesn't show you their profit margin, only their revenue. Use this for trends, not for guaranteed financial advice. So also they have this section here, which is called Video and Ad AI. So you can export scripts, and we could also optimize some scripts that you want. So for trial accounts, you can get 10 searches per day right here. You'd also see the high ROAS right here, high organic traffic sales videos, and low follower sales videos right here. And the live stream panel, you could also check this out if you want. So we have the low follower, high revenue lives, shop self-operated lives, and lives with recording. You could also go to the explore section right here to see guides on how to use Kalodata. So if you click on one right here, so let's say hot video, so which video is selling hot lately, so it will bring you to this Notion tab, and you could check it out right here to how to quickly find high quality video content for inspiration. So it will show you some step-by-step guide on how to use it, and you could also check the trending products. So there's also some guides right here that you could check out if you want, and we have related articles at the bottom. So the question is it worth it? If you are already selling and need to optimize, well, yeah, it is. The data saves you time, and if you haven't even started your shop yet, you can try out the free trial first, so you can look around the website or the app and wait until you are ready to launch. And for the pricing, so the starter plan is $38 a month. For the professional plan, it is $83 a month, and for the enterprise plan, it is $280 a month. So you can save 20% from the yearly plan, but for the monthly plan, it's a little bit pricier. So going for the yearly plan is better if you want to save your money in the long run. I also have a code where you can get 10% off if ever you want to buy a subscription in Kalodata. So the code is VIP10, so it's right here on the screen. So you can just basically type in that code by going to the buy button right here and click on it, and you'll see the promo code box right there where you could input the code VIP10, and as you can see, it has a check mark. It means that the code is valid. So we saved $94 on that promo code alone, which is of course a great deal. But yeah, I hope this straightforward walkthrough helped you understand what the tool actually does. If you want more tutorials on the technical side of TikTok Shop tools, let me know in the comments. So don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more honest reviews. I'll see you on the next one.